So, good morning everyone. We're here pala outside because we will do some exercise. It's about 5 a.m. in the morning and it's very early and it's very cold. Grabe, magawas ka sa balay. My God, like tugnaw kay sa gawas. So, matay mabuhat. Gusto man tam exercise. So, here we go. So, first day mga ka-people, we will do some slow walking. Kaya mamanay kasagara sa uban. So, let's go. Padala nita sa ubos kay murag ang pabaw ni ubkis tanan sa mutang ubos di ay. Lakos na kadyot mga inday. This is for the recreational activities, very helpful for your body. After ito, mga ka-people, we will do some jogging. So simple, you know, jogging naman, diba? So, like, at this point of time, hayag na kaayo itong palibot. So, murag mabalik ito itong balay para mag-prepare na kay magtapatag skulahan. So, that's all mga ka-people.